Welcome back to my channel with a new video. Today I will be showing you the best attachments for DLQ33. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. DLQ33 is the best sniper in COD mobile that has very high damage, good accuracy and very good to use in long-range combat. DLQ33 has been the best sniper rifle for 4 seasons and still continuing. Let's start with barrel. MIP Light. It increases ADS speed. Next, let's finish all the top order attachments. Stock, CODM Combat Stock. It increases ADS speed. Now, let's finish down order attachments. Laser, MIP Laser Tactical. Next under barrel, bipod. And finally let's finish it off with perk. The last attachment. Perk, sleight of hand. This DLQ33 attachments class setup increase ADS speed, and overall mobility, plus faster reload time. Watch a short gameplay, but don't be disappointed with my gameplay, because I am not a good sniper. You absolutely need ADS speed for good movement. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and helped to improve your gameplay. And today's like aim is 15. I hope you will fulfill it for me. Until then, Gingerbread signing off.